Hi, it's Angeline here. Today I have a crafty video with Unity stamp and I'm going to show you how I made this Bunny Bedtime sparkle card. So I've already stamped this bunny family stamp on some white cardstock and I want to draw in his duvet, quilt or comforter or blanket, whatever that you call it in different parts of the world. And I'm just taking a black pen here just to extend the stamp and to just finish it up. And then I'm using my Copic markers here to draw in some pattern. You could use any markers that you have and draw in any kinds of patterns that you like. Next, I'm just grabbing the broad nib of the marker pen to just color in the background quickly. Then grab any metallic pens that you have, and here I'm just drawing a moon and lots of stars in the background. This could be like a fairy tale or just some glow-in-the-dark stars in your kids' room. And finally, I'm grabbing some Nuvo Glimmer paste in Moonstone, which is really this nice transparent iridescent glimmer paste to add some sparkle to my card. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this card and video. Do try it out for yourself and thanks for watching. Bye!